Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's been a while ever since I uploaded my last video because I was busy with my work. So today I'm gonna review this new gadget or new kitchen tool which I really like, and you guys are gonna enjoy it as well. If you guys are into sodas, like making sodas at home, there are multiple methods, there are multiple brands, but the one which I ordered and I've been using since like 2-3 weeks or so. So this is from Instacuppa Portable Soda Maker. So this is the box which you're gonna get. I have already unboxed. So I'm gonna show you what you will get in this box. The price is 199, yeah, approximately 2000. But if you ordered it from the Instacuppa website, you will get 21% off if it's your first order. So that's there. So you will get it around 1500 or something, like 1580 something like that. So I will show you how it is gonna be. So there are like multiple brands. Like I said, there was Mr. Butler wala, something like that. The plastic of that soda maker was pretty cheap. It looks pretty cheap and look like it does not look really good. And I've seen the reviews as well, like it is not that durable. And I've seen videos and the reviews on the Amazon for this one. It was pretty good. So let me show you what you're gonna get inside this box. Okay, so you will get these three things. One is your bottle. It is BPA free, like plastic bottle, but the recommended usage for this is 2 years. Like from the day you will get it, you can use it for 2 years. And the capacity is 1 liter, but I will tell you what it is. Then you have this cap. This cap is to lock the bottle, just like your normal water bottle. And this one is to create the soda. And how it's gonna be, I'm gonna make one right in front of you. Then you will get to know. Then you will get these CO2 cartridges. I utilized how many, like 6 or 4, I believe. You will get 10 free of cost. Then you will have to pay for them. On Amazon the price is $9.99 for 30, for a pack of 30. So that comes out to be 32 rupees for one cartridge. And this one cylinder can make 1 liter of soda. So it is quite expensive if you think like that, but if you're gonna make sodas out of juice or lemonade or something like that, then it is pretty good. Like you're gonna create it on your own from your RO water or something, whatever you're gonna use. So this is what you get, and this is the soda cap, and this is your normal cap. So with this 1 liter bottle, there are two markings. One is for 800 ml, one is for 1 liter max. So you can only make soda if the quantity is in between 800 ml and 1 liter. If it is above 1 liter, you won't be able to make it, and below 800 ml as well. And you are not supposed to add milk or something like that to make soda. That will curdle the milk that is there. Plus there is no instructions on the manual, like if you want to add some juice or something like that, how it is gonna be. So let me try to make using rasna. I have a rasna concentrate, and we will give that a try. So let me bring that one and let's make rasna this thing. Okay, so here I have it. It is not supposed to be drink as it is. Like you get some rasna concentration for like how many 50 rupees, and you can make if you use 1/3 of this and the other part water or soda, whatever you're gonna use. Okay, so it is little below the 1 liter mark. Okay, so as you can see, it is still 1 liter mark here. So this is how it is gonna be. This is the space where you will push this cartridge and just flip it to lock it. Now it is locked. Okay, so you can only insert the cartridge once it is outside this. If you turn it and lock it up, then you won't be able to do it. That is which I have learned later on. So you just have to rotate it like this, then once again, and it will be just like this. So if you fill it over 1 liter, then this will overflow and you will have a big mess. But this is how it is gonna look like, and you might be able to see small bubbles forming up. And it takes around 30 seconds or so to carbonate the entire drink. So let's see. if it's gonna take 30 seconds or less than that. Yeah, but if you are gonna use some other drink like I have done with kefir, it overflowed and it took over more than 1 minute to carbonate that thing, because it is supposed to carbonate the water in less than 30 seconds, but for rest of the drinks it takes some time. So I can still hear the CO2 noise being released and you can see the bubbles forming up. So meanwhile it is releasing all the CO2 and carbonating the entire drink, and you can see the bubbles formed on the surface. Let me bring my kefir as well and I will compare how the natural carbonation is compared to this one. I have two flavors, so we will see. Alright, so we have these three. This is your rasna, the orange concentrate one. This is the green apple one which I have made yesterday. Yeah, but it was carbonated enough, I believe. And this is the one which I have made like 4 days back. This is your blue tea. Yeah. These two are naturally carbonated using water kefir grains. You can carbonate your drinks using ginger bark, water kefir, or fruit fermentation, and the other option is this CO2 cylinder. So let's try. Let's first open the bottles. Let's see. Okay, you can see this one had some CO2. Let me move my phone. Oh my god. And you can see the fizz forming up. So I will try with this one because I have not tried this yet. And you can see the thing with this one, this is fermented one, so you're not supposed to drink it a lot. Like 100-200 ml would be enough. This one is tasty. Now I've tried this one. For some reasons I was not able to make that much of CO2 with this one, but I will try. But the color of CO2, blue tea one is pretty good as compared to others, like purplish blue or something like that. If you add lemon juice as well, it will become little more purpley. Carbonation, it barely has like 3 out of 10. I will give 7 out of 10 to this one. Now let's try this one. Let me close this first and shake it, because this is how it is written on the manual. You're supposed to shake it once. And yes, fizz is there. You can see these tiny bubbles. Like they were bubbles on this one as well, but they are larger as compared to this one. This has tiny bubbles. So I will give you the comparison. This one has better carbonation as compared to this one. Like you can taste the fizziness, the bubbliness on this one, but this has like more concentrated bubbliness, the bubbles which you can feel while drinking the drinks. It is not as good as Coke, like properly chilled Coke which you will get in like glass bottles. It is not like that. If that would be a 10, then I will rate this 8, 7 and 3 for this one. This one looks good, tastes good, but it does not have any fizz. So what I can do is I can simply transfer this into this bottle and make sure it is below 1 liter or above 800 ml, and I can carbonate this. So this is the cool gadget which I found, and I'm not sure whether other people are aware about it or not. So if you are looking for something which can create homemade soda, you can definitely buy this one. Like the quality, you can look at the plastic. It looks better, like way better. The reason being is the other brand is the Butler wala, something like that. That one is pretty cheap. So if you are into making homemade sodas, and if you want to know like how I've created this green apple one or the blue tea one, I can post another video how to make kefir, water kefir and milk kefir both. I'm gonna try kombucha as well, how to make kombucha as well as making drinks using ginger bark. If you guys are into drinks and making drinks, how to make them, and if you want to step away from soft drinks like the way I used to drink, and I am shifting towards to these drinks slowly and gradually. Not the rasna, but I had rasna, so this is the easiest thing which I have made. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and I will catch you in the next